And the meat safe.
Wow, this is an old Welsh pantry. How beautiful. Oh, yes. Tiny windows to keep the heat in the winter. Wrong, it's to...
Let's keep the heat out in the summer.
Yes.
So, because that's where they kept their fresh food.
Uh-huh.
They did the cooking.
Wow, and that's a Welsh dresser there.
It is.
And this is how you do your front room, people in England, so that anyone passing by knows that you're living well. Very important. And of course, the family Bible.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's one of quite a small.
That was translated into Welsh, was it, this one?
Yeah, it was 32 or 33, I don't remember, it was on there.
Yeah.
And.
Oh, what a beautiful room. And of course, you always had to do it up in case the Queen came round. That was always the attitude, to make sure the bedroom was always nice in case the Queen happened to pop by.
All right.
You
didn't leave your underwear on the bed then?
No. No, that would be drying somewhere. Oh, what a beautiful place for cows. People don't live that well these days.
Well, the cow is probably more important than the people.
That's true.
They made bricks and they made tiles.
Beautiful old pictures of the way of life just here. That's incredible. The women spinning. This is an old medicine cabinet and a bottle of myrrh.
I think it was used as an embalming fluid, I'm not sure.
Whoa, what, for pets? Oh, for a block of iron you put on the fire
It's
and
not
then...
iron.
Not iron?
It's pottery.
Oh,
Earthenware.
earthenware, okay.
I think they put them in the carriages, didn't they, for the ladies' feet?
Ah, good idea. So these are one of the pennies struck at Anglesey we went to yesterday. It's beautiful. Workers paid in that currency. There were beavers in Wales to make these hats from.
There must have been. Yeah.
Wow.
And you had to collect up your soap coupons to get a print.
So when did women stop wearing this outfit in Wales, do you think?
They only wore it for very, very best anyway.
Oh, just for funerals and churches, that sort of thing.
Yeah, I would think that the 1800s they finished that.
Yeah, I think so. Lucknow in India. Wow. Well, that is an unusual thing to see in a Welsh bellows.
Very unusual.
Yes.
You did have it by the fire for a long time, and I thought that's going to get broken, and I brought it in there.
And a big thank you to the European Union for taking £39 billion a year and giving half of it back. But they did pay for things that the Westminster wouldn't have bothered otherwise.
Yes.
My goodness, how did they manage back in the day? My goodness. Well, what an interesting discovery. But I was actually just lost on my way to the bog. So, continue. Of course, you have to virtue signal what a generously nice person you are in public. That's how charity's done these days. That wonderful pebble dash monstrosity must be the bogs. Ooh, prickly. Just stroll in here with gay abandon. Oh yes. It's my next 5 minutes taken care of. Well, I did enjoy Church Bay. What's next in Anglesey? Yep, I'm having such an easy time of these remote places in a micro van. It's like it's cheating. I see a ship in the harbour. Well, I can't fault that for a view. Let me just pull in, let this van overtake. Oh, yes. I think that's about as big as a motorhome that you'd want to be going around Anglesey in, realistically. It would just be most fortuitous if there were a perfect little VanLife park up, oh hello, right on these cliffs. No parking there. Ah yes, that's the ticket. Yes, I'll stay here for a bit. Excuse me. What are they trying to do? Scare off all the tourists? How did that ship get up there? Another camper van rocks up.